Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got a lot of messages about how to decoupage on fabric or canvas bags. Today I'm going to show how it works. First of all, I put a cardstock with parchment paper wrapped inside this bag. This will avoid seeping through glue to another side of bag. Cut the napkin according to the design you want on your bag. I would love to know the country and city you are watching from. Now cover the whole bag with Modpose. Make sure you cover all the edges completely. Remove all the extra plies. Let the bag dry fully. Lay down your napkin. Put parchment paper and iron on it with high heat settings. Don't use steams. I'm wetting the extra napkin with water brush so the napkin can come off easily. Use Modpose on edges to glue it down for more finishing. Apply one coat of Modpose on the whole surface. Remove the parchment paper and cardstock from inside. Look how it looks. Give a top coat of varnish and let it cure. And it's all done. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.